is transformations, module 10. And when you look at those quadratic functions, they will have something in front of the x. They'll have a square. If they're parentheses, you'll see a minus or a plus a number. And then after the square, you'll have a minus and plus the number. So I wrote a few examples here, and we'll talk about what they're going to do and why. So this has a negative a, and a negative a means that the parabola points down. This is a negative a, so it points down. This a is not between 0 and 1, or is not between -1 and 1, on a number line. It's not here. It's on the outside of it. So this would be a skinny or narrow parabola. It's like this. You squeeze it in on the side, so it's horizontally compressed or vertically stretched, whichever one. Then here it's minus, and the original formula says it should be minus. So that means it's going to move 3 spaces to the right, and it's positive, and the original formula says positive. So it's going to go up 2. So this graph points down, it reflects down, it's skinny, or it's vertically stretched, horizontally compressed. It moves to the right 3, it moves up 2. This one is negative, so again, it reflects down. It's a half, which is in between, and it's negative half, but regardless, it's in between -1 and 1. It's like somewhere here. So that means it's a wide graph. It's -3 still, so it's still moving to the right 3. It's +2, it's still moving up 2. Here, you want to say there isn't one, but yes, there is. There's an invisible one, and that's positive, so this graph points up. It's not in between the ones. It's not outside the ones. It is one, so it stays regular. It doesn't stretch or compress. This says positive, but the original says minus, so that's really a minus, a negative, which means it's moving to the left 2 and going down 3. Okay. So when the a is negative, it reflects down. If the a is a decimal with 0 integer, it is wide. And if the a is larger than 1 or less than -1, then it is skinty.